Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tips, Fitness and Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you simple yet exciting exercises for beginners to stay fit at home. I have designed this program specially for beginners. So let me tell you guys, we all are so busy during this pandemic because we cannot go out, we are just bored at home and day-to-day routine obviously follows. I request all of you to please take out 10 minutes of your time to stay fit forever. It might be low intensity workout, but it is going to be equally effective if you do it regularly. Yes, you heard it correct. The key to success is consistency. If you do these exercises regularly, I assure you the best results. Now, before we go ahead with my exercises, I would like all of you to please note if you feel uneasy performing any of my exercises, please discontinue it and go on to the next one. Also keep a water bottle ready because you're definitely going to feel thirsty near your exercising area. I am assuming that all of you are going to perform the exercises with me. So let's begin, my friends. Friends, before performing any exercise, it is very important to do some warm-up of your body. So let's begin with some warm-up before getting into the exercising routine. So let's start from our neck. So neck, let's feel the stretch of the neck and we will do it 10 times. Breathing is very important while exercising, so kindly take deep breaths. Can you feel the stretch? Yes, that is very important. And 10. Coming on to shoulders. Outward shoulders. Again 10 times. Inward shoulders. Now let's come on to the knees and the feet. Let's stretch. Yes, you should feel that stretch. 9 and 10. So friends, also stretch your hands. That's correct. And 10. So guys, let's begin with our exercising routine. Exercise number 1. Lateral step. Are you feeling the stretch? Yes, it's very good. Now, exercise number 2, side bends. You should feel the stretch on your sides. Exercise number 3. High knee jacks. Please try to take your knees as high as possible. As I have mentioned earlier, please take deep breaths. Breathing is very important while exercising. Exercise number 4. Alternate toes. Exercise number 5, which is my personal favorite, jumping jacks. Alright guys, so this completes our first set. Now I have already started feeling tired and I feel a lot of water now. So I'm sure you all also want to have some water. So let's hydrate ourselves. Let all of us take 30 seconds break and let's come back with the exercising again because we are going to repeat the entire set one more time. So guys, let's begin with the exercise number 1, lateral step. Are you feeling the stretch? Yes, it's very good. Now, exercise number 2, side bends. You should feel the stretch on your sides. Exercise number 3, high knee jacks. Please try to take your knees as high as possible. As I mentioned earlier, please take deep breaths. Breathing is very important while exercising. Exercise number 4, alternate toes. exercise of my video, guys. Jumping jack. That's it for all today, guys. Thank you. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed watching my channel and also exercising with me. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button. If you're a new viewer, do not forget to subscribe. Let me know what all would you like to know to stay fit in the future, and I assure you I will come up with many more videos of your choice. Stay fit, stay blessed. Till we meet again. Bye bye. See you soon, friends.